good evening. Welcome to the dance presentation by Deepthi Ravichandran, a professional Bharatanatyam dancer and a disciple of Padma Shri Professor Sudharani Raghupati. Deepthi is also the founder of Twarita, which is a center for performing arts, and she is also a certified therapeutic movement facilitator. Today, Deepthi's presentation is called Hey Ramba. What does that mean? It is one of the names of Lord Ganesha, which is the protector of the weak. Ganesha is one of India's most popular and the most favorite one too. Actually, not only in India, Hey Ramba is very popular and favorite in Nepal as well. Now, why is Ganesha so special? Why does he have a tiny temple across every street corner? Actually, why does he have an elephant hand? இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய கேள்விகள் நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் இருக்கு. கரெக்டா? இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் பதில் இன்னைக்கு தீப்தியோட டான்ஸ் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்ல நம்ம பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறோம். First, let us look at Ganesha's family. His father is Shiva, who rides the bull. His mother is Parvati, who rides the lion. His younger brother Muruga or Kartikeya rides the peacock, and Ganesha, he rides a tiny mouse. Our first piece for today is a traditional Bharatanatyam Ranganjali, a prayer to a few gods: Ganesha, Muruga, Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Lord Ganesha? I'm not sure about what you think, but for me, it is definitely Korakattai or Modaka. You know, Ganesha holds a bowl of Korakattai or Modakam in his hand. Yes? And there are so many other things as well. Let us see what Deepthi has performed and look at her first piece, which is Mudhakarata Modakam. That begins with a traditional Pushpanjali, which is an offering of flowers.
Tam dittam dittam Dharikittataka dhim tadhim tadhim Dharikittataka dham 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 dittam dittam Dharikittataka dhim tadhim tadhim Dharikittataka daddinginnattum rakkataddinginnattum rakkadikku daddinginnattum Mudhakarata modakam sada vimukti sadakam Mudhakarata modakam sada vimukti sadakam Mudhakarata modakam sada vimukti sadakam Kaladarava namjakam vilasi lokarajakam Kaladarava namjakam vilasi lokarajakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashideva Saityakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinashideva Saityakam Natashubashu Nashakam Mamitam Vinayakam Natashubashu Nashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Mudhakar దళంకుతం కడదగదరిగతం తాహత జం తరి కిటతకదా కడదగదరిగతం జం తరి జగ తరి కిటతకదై కడదగదరిగతం తాహత జం తరి కిటతక జం తరి జగ తరి కిటత తదింగినతం 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 దక్కదదింగినతం 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 దక్కదికు దదింగినతం దక్కదికు దదింగినతం దక్కదికు దదింగినతం మయూరాదిరూఢం మహావాక్యగూఢం మనోహారి దేహం మహచిత్తగేహం మయూరాదిరూఢం మహావాక్యగూఢం మనోహారి దేహం మహచిత్తగేహం మయూరాదిరూఢం మహావాక్యగూఢం మనోహారి దేహం మహచిత్తగేహం మహీదేవదేవం మహావేదభావం మహాదేవ బాలం మజేలోకమాలం మహీదేవదేవం మహావేదభావం మహాదేవ బాలం మజేలోకమాలం మయూరాదిరూఢం మహావాక్యగూఢం మనోహారి దేహం మహచిత్తగేహం మహీదేవదేవం మహావేదభావం మహాదేవ బాలం మజేలోకమాలం దళంకు తదింగినతం జం సరిత్త జగ్గ తరిత్త జన్న జన్నత్త కుక్కుందరిత్త తద్దింగ్ గిన్నత్తం కడదగదద్దింగ్ గిన్నత్తం కడదగదద్దింగ్ గిన్నత్తం కమలా విశ్వవంద్యరాజ కమలాకర మాలిని విమలా ప్రతిభావోగ్య కమలాయ సరస్వతి వరసంసాన రూపాయ స్వర్ణరత్న విభూషిత నిర్ణయా భారతీ శ్వేత వర్ణవోగ్యాత్ సరస్వతి వరదా అభయ రుద్రాయ వరభూషక నారిణి సరసా సరోజస సదా గోవ్యాత్ సరస్వతి సుందరి సుముఖి పద్మమల్లిర మధురా ఆశస కుందభాష సరాగోవ్య వందితాయ సరస్వతి వందితాయ సరస్వతి దళంకు తకదికు తకతదింగినతం దద్దత్ తకజం తక్క తకదత్ తకజం తక్కజం తరిత్త ధనత్త జనుత్త తకుందరి కిట తకజం తరిత్త ధనత్త జనుత్త తకుందరి కిట తకజం తరిత్త ధనత్త జనుత్త తకుందరి కిట తక వందితాయ సరస్వతి
Tomorrow is Vinayaka Chaturthi or Ganesha Puja at all our houses. Have you seen what all they do during the puja? Deepthi is going to be showing a few of the upacharans or the offerings that we give to the Lord during the puja. We have a Ganesha idol, right? Let us see how we dress it up. First, we have a house which is decorated with flowers and thoranam. After that, a lighting of the lamp. Then we wash the idol and we put a cloth around as they dress. And then we put the sacred thread or the poonal on the pullaya. Apply sandal and kumkumam and decorate him with flowers. And finally, we show the Mangala Aarti with the bell. Right? But there's a unique tradition in South India for Ganesha. Do you know what it is? Topukarnam and Sadurkai. That is, holding your ears and squatting to seek Ganesha's forgiveness and breaking a coconut on the floor. You might also remember how kids and people would come to take away these broken pieces and eat it as a prasadam. Let us see this second piece today, which is a presentation of Gajananam Bhuta Ghanati Sevitam Kapitta Jambu Palasara Pakshitam Umasutam Soka Vinasha Karanam Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. We bow down to your lotus-like feet, Lord Ganesha. Do you know the story of how Lord Ganesha was born? If yes, then join me in telling the story to everyone else. So what happened was Lord Parvati had gone to the river bank to take a bath. She created a form using turmeric paste and the sweat from her body. Now she gave life to this form and called that her son. He was asked to guard the main gates and not let anyone inside. Her son promptly took the instruction and did not let anyone inside by guarding the place. At that time, Shiva came by and asked to be let inside. But the small boy did not know who Shiva was. and neither did Shiva believe that Ganesha was Parvati's son. When Shiva was not let inside, he got angry and he chopped off the boy's head. Parvati came running, realizing what had happened, and she explained to Shiva about Ganesha. Now Shiva had to replace the boy's head. He sent someone to bring back the head of the first creature in the north direction. Thus, an elephant head was brought and placed on Ganesha. Shiva gave life to his son and called him the first of the gods and the leader of the Gana troops. This is how Ganesha was born and has an elephant head. Do you also know that Ganapati is considered to be the very form of the Omkara mantra? His bent trunk or the Tumbikai is believed to be in the shape of the Pranavakaram or Om. Such a powerful god Lord Ganesha is. The next piece Deepthi is performing will be Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaje.
वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम 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 वारणा श्रीवारणा संवरप्रदं श्रीवारणा संवरप्रदं श्रीवारणा संवरप्रदं श्रीवारणा संवरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भजे हम वारणा संवरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भजे हम भूतादि संसेवित चरणम् भूतादि संसेवित चरणम् भूत भौतिक प्रपञ्च प्रपञ्चभरणं भूतादिसं सेवितचरणं भूतभौतिक प्रपञ्चभरणं भूतादिसं सेवितचरणं भूतभौतिक प्रपञ्चभरणं वीतरागिणं विनतयोगिनम् वीतरागिणं विनतयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नवारणं वीतरागिणं विनतयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नवारणं वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम वाराणस्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भजे हम गपनि सनि प गप सनि प गप सनि सरि रि सनि सनि सरि रि सनि स ग रि रि सनि पनि सरि ग रि सनि सनि सरि रि सनि पनि सरि ग रि सनि प ग रि सनि प रि सनि प ग रि सनि प रि सनि प ग सरि ग पनि स कुम्भसम्भव मुनिवर प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमध्यगतं पुरा कुम्भसम्भव मुनिवर प्रपूजितं त्रिकोणमध्यगतं मुरारी प्रमुखाध्युपासितं मूलाधार क्षेत्रस्थितं मुरारी प्रमुखाध्युपासितं मूलाधार क्षेत्रस्थितं परादिचत्वारि वागात्मकं परादिचत्वारि वागात्मकं प्रणव स्वरूप वक्रतुण्डम् प्रणव स्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं प्रणव स्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं निरन्तरं नितिलचन्द्रखण्डं निजवामकरवि हृदेक्षुदण्डं कराम्बुजपासबीजापूरं गमगगरिरि गरि सरि कराम्बुजपासबीजापूरं खलु सविदूरं भूदाकारं कराम्बुजपासबीजापूरं खलु सविदूरं भूदाकारम् अरादि गुरुगुहतोषितबिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषितैरम्बम् अरादि गुरुगुहतोषितबिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषितैरम्बं वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम वाराणस्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भजे
Ganesha is my favorite character from the Hindu scriptures because there are so many interesting stories about his greatness. And one such story is the story of Jnanapadam, which is the race to win the fruit of knowledge. Narada gives a fruit with special powers to Shiva and asks him to give it to his sons, but without cutting that fruit. That was a very tricky situation. The fruit of knowledge was to be held only by one person. How could they decide that? So they came up with a plan. Ganesha and Kartikeya were challenged to a race. Whoever went around the world thrice and came back first wins that fruit. Now Muruga or Kartikeya, even without thinking for a moment, he got onto his vehicle, which was the peacock, and he flew away. But Ganesha, he was worried that he only had the small mouse as his vehicle. So he had to think of a better idea. And it struck him. Ganesha wisely told that his parents were his world and that circling them thrice would be equal to circling the world thrice. So the very smart Ganesha went around his parents 3 times and impressed them with his wisdom. And thus he became the winner of the fruit of knowledge. Presenting the next piece, Mahaganapatim Manasa.
Da, takademida, ta, takademida, ta, takademida, takitada, ta, takitadenada, takitada, tirigada, takademida, ta, takademida, ta, takademida, takitada, ta, takitadenada, takitada, tirigada, takademida, ta, takademida, ta, takademida. Takita ta, takita dinada, takita tirigada, takadimida, ta, takadimida, ta, takadimida, takita ta, takita dinada, takita tirigada.
Pama gama gazani sapa sani sapa ni saga sani sani pani sapa ni saga ma pagama pani ni pani pama pama gama pagama gazani sapa ni sapa saga sani sani pani pama pani saga ma pani saga ma pani saga sani sani pani ni pama pagama pagama gazani saga ma ni pama pasani pani pama pama gani pama pama mani pama sani pama pama gama pagama gazani sapa sani sapa ni saga ma pagama pasani pani pama pama pani saga sani sani pani pama pama gama pani saga Gaga sani sani pani pama pama gama pagama gazani saga ma pang
Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Mahaganapatim Mahaganapatim manasa smarami Vasishtha Vamadevani Vandita Mahaganapatim मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिम्.
I place a very humble request asking you all to donate generously to We Excel School of Special Needs Children. You can find the links in the description box below. All the donations are exempted under Section 80G of Income Tax Act 1961. Ganesha is a very unique god. He has an elephant's head, a big tummy, he is very short, and he rides on a mouse. Have you also noticed that he has only one tusk, which is the Tantam? This story talks about how Lord Ganesha was asked to help a great sage with almost an impossible task. Vyasa the sage asked Ganesha to write the Mahabharata story as he dictates it. Ganesha put one condition, that Vyasa should say that story without a pause. And then Vyasa, he put forth another condition, that Ganesha should understand every word as he writes. And so Ganesha begins to write. But in the rush, the feather that Ganesha was using broke off. So he immediately broke off one of his tusks and he used that as his pen to write without any interruption. Another story which we believe is Parashurama broke off one of the tusks with an axe which was given by Shiva. Anyways, Ganesha has numerous such witty stories. Now let us witness a beautiful song on Ganapati, and you will also be seeing the Ganapati Visarjan, or the dropping off the Ganesha's idol into the ocean after his puja. We hope you enjoy it. Presenting to you गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकल क्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
I take this opportunity and request you to donate generously to VXL School of Special Needs Children. You can find the links in the description box below. A small contribution will definitely go a long way, and all your donations are tax exempted under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act 1961. The Ganesha Chaturthi is celebrated in a very grand manner across the country. One interesting aspect is how huge Ganesha idols are placed in the pandals. Each pandal has a different concept, right? A singing pulyar, a cricket playing pulyar, a fruits decorated pulyar, a Krishna Ganesha, a Hanuman Ganesha, and so many other ideas, right? And Ganesha is the only character with which we can take so much of freedom to decorate him in the way we like. Oh, and not to forget the pandal hopping that we all do to witness the beautiful presentation of our Lord Ganesha. Another important aspect is the Ganesha chants and the bhajans that we all would sing to celebrate this elephant-faced god. So now why don't we all celebrate Ganesha and sing and dance together? I request all the kids and all the viewers to join your hands and clap and tap your feet as Deepthi performs this song. Bumma bumma tataya taya tak dinak nak din bhajan kare udalita nak din ditam tom tai tai ganapati naam sadha. one and all for watching this YouTube premiere of Deepti's performance, which was specially made for Tarang at We Excel School in Chennai. We request you to donate generously for this school for special needs children. You can find the links in the description box below. We conclude this presentation with a track by the maestro A.R. Rahman called The Bombay Dreams. We might celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi grandly over India, but nothing beats the grandeur and the excitement in Mumbai. This is a casual semi-classical dance, and I request you all to join in dancing and clapping along to celebrate the wonderful character of Ganesha. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Let Heramba protect us all from this challenging time and give us the strength to all the sufferings because of this pandemic. Thank you once again for watching. Thank you.
आनं